first like to begin by welcoming you to the Alumni Association. It is a wonderful group to be a part of, and many members have gone on to do wonderful things with their lives, making St. Anne's proud. I would also like to congratulate you on graduating from middle school. The best years of your life are ahead of you, and I can honestly say you could have no better preparation than a St. Anne's experience. Like I said, I graduated in 2008 and I loved it here. I started here in kindergarten, I grew up with my classmates, my mom taught here, and I have many lasting relationships with some of the teachers. So it's no exaggeration when I say that St. Anne's is like a second home to me. This year I graduated from my new second home, St. Pierre and Paul High School, a school on the Eastern Shore, and I am proud to say that I will be attending West Virginia University this fall. Going into high school after graduating from St. Anne's is kind of a scary thing, so hopefully I can give you some advice that will help. For starters, I think you guys should all join something. Getting involved is one of the best things you can do to make new friends. Whether it's a club or a sport, by joining something, you are meeting new people with the same interests as you. I met my best friend throughout all of high school going to freshman year when I started field hockey. My second piece of advice is to be a self-advocate. By this I mean that when you're in high school, you take on a whole other level of independence. From now on, if you're having trouble in school, the teachers will expect you to make the effort to come get help from them instead of your parents. You'll find that teachers respect the students who advocate for themselves more than others, and I hope that you'll all be academically prepared anyway. I also think you should know that in high school it really is okay to be yourself. I remember being in middle school and trying to fit in, always worrying about what others thought of me. In high school, an amazing thing happens. Most of the kids begin to discover who they really are, and almost everyone gets to the point where they stop worrying and trying to be something they're not. People become more appreciative of everyone's individual gifts and talents, and it will really encourage you to just relax and be yourself. Once this happens to you, I think not only will you find a new confidence that will help you fit in even better than before, but you'll be much happier. Another piece of advice is this. In high school, you and your friends will be doing a lot of growing and maturing. This is probably the hardest part of high school because you finally say goodbye to a lot of things that make you children and you become more of an adult. The most important thing to do during this change is to surround yourself with a good group of friends and try to stay true to who you are. If you do this, I guarantee you things will work out the way they're supposed to. And finally, cherish this time. These next 4 years will fly by. High school is full of so many fun experiences that will stay with you for a lifetime. And I promise in another 4 years you'll be sitting in a cap and gown wondering how you got there so fast. Take advantage of every second and definitely don't forget to take time to appreciate your parents. As I wrap this up, I would just like to say that even if you didn't hear what I just said, you'll be perfectly fine in high school. You can have no better preparation than St. Anne's. As long as you carry with you the education, life lessons, and friendships you gained here wherever you go, I know you will all be made for success. So congratulations again, good luck in high school, and welcome to the St. Anne School of Annapolis Alumni Association.